Good afternoon and welcome to another of Tim's Tech Talk videos here at Venom Motorsports Canada. Today we're having a look at the latch mechanism that you're going to find on almost every product that we carry, and we want to have a look at the latch system so we can see how we can service it. So with almost every product we have, the seat latch mechanism is very similar. So here you can see the latch. That's the latch mechanism right there that is actuated by the key. So you turn the key and the latch mechanism moves from right to left. As it moves from right to left, it releases the latch mechanism that you see here on the seat. So this is the actual latch, that's the latch mechanism. And what will happen is, as you rotate the key, you'll see this part here moves over to the left and releases the seat. Well, what happens if this latch mechanism gets stuck or is a little bit difficult to maneuver? What I always recommend, lubricate it with WD-40. That is the miracle fluid and will save you a lot of trouble. But let's assume for fun that the seat is down, you can't get the seat off, you've got to get in here. What can you do? Come over on this side, remove this panel. This fairing panel will come off, you just unbolt it, take it out. You'll now have room inside to slide your hand underneath, and when you slide your hand underneath, all you're going to do is pull back on the latch. As soon as you pull back on the latch, the seat will release. You can now open the seat and effect the repair. I hope you found this video handy, my friends. Enjoy the ride and have yourselves a great day. Bye-bye.